What's up, people? This is another recipe from yours truly. This is how I like making my burgers. I call them my special burgers. Wife calls them meatloaf burgers, but it's not quite meatloaf. So what I'm gonna do, got my ground beef, chopped up bacon really small pieces. Bacon's gonna get mixed with the beef, and then we're gonna mix some bell pepper and onion into it. Give it some awesome flavor.
Salt or garlic salt?
Oh yeah, sorry. We're gonna add garlic salt and black pepper to for flavor as well. All right, so all I'm gonna do right now is chop up the onions. Two small little pieces. Don't really need a whole onion. I only got about a pound of meat. The bell peppers, same thing we did the other day. Just gonna chop it up real thin. Make a couple nice little cubes out of it. And we're gonna put it in the bowl. So now that it's all in the bowl, here's your bacon, your ground beef, onions, bell peppers. I always like to add the seasoning right now so it gets mixed on everything. And then you mix it all up. You want to make sure you try to get the bacon and the meat mixed around so that you get a little bit of bacon in every single one of your patties. This year's probably gonna bake about 5 or 6 patties.
It'd be a fun project for kids.
Yeah, definitely. All right, so if you have one of these, you can use it now. And all I do, I throw about a handful of it and I put it right in the center. And then I press it down.
Part
And
smooth.
there's your patty. So all I do, I take the ring off and I go on to the next one to make another patty. All right, so this is what your burger's gonna look like. I got 6 out of the pound and all the veggies. So what I like to do so they don't fall apart when I throw them on the grill, I like to put them in the freezer for a few minutes while I heat up the grill. So all you do is just get them and toss them right on the grill. Want to make sure they get enough space so that they cook evenly, and always let them cook in low fire so that they don't burn and they get stuck together, the meat does.
All right, so while he's finishing up grilling, I'm gonna pick a couple pieces of lettuce that I grew, and we're gonna put it on the sandwiches. All right, while he's also finishing up grilling, I took 2 of my homemade bread things and put a little butter on them, and then I'm going to stick them in a hot pan and kind of toast them a little, and then they'll be ready for when he comes in.
All right, and we're using my wife's gourmet bread that she loves to make for me whenever I ask her for it. So this is what your burger should look like. You got a little tomato, a couple of pieces of lettuce, homegrown obviously, and bam, there you have it, Tony's gourmet burgers.